Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to tap to capture settings category. And here we can find assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to camera, we get access to these lines in preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of 30 in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines here, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to right corner settings, tap to capture category and turn them off here. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.